Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this is a 1948 CJ2. It is a Willys. This has the original drivetrain from 1948. However, the frame and the body are newer. I wouldn't say brand new.
Yeah, and the engine, transmission, and transfer case have all been rebuilt since then.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Which is very nice. It's 48's a long time ago.
It is a long time ago. My mom was born in 48 and she's older. So, hey, this is cool. It's green. That's why we wore green today. You'll recognize this Jeep from like TV shows like MASH. Just like those. This has got, well, 2 seats here, 2 seats there. We have lap belts, which are newer. It did not have lap belts there. This little trunk, you just take it down like this. I'll just show you, it's not a trunk, as more so a, ta-da! And you can fit maybe, I don't know, a couple cans of Coke back here. I wouldn't know what to put. And then we'll put it right back in here together.
Yeah, massive steering wheel. The seats are actually in really nice condition.
They're very nice.
Tan canvas material, which is what you want, because if you haven't noticed, there's no roof or doors or anything, because it's a Willys.
And these GoPros were not invented back then.
Yeah.
There you've got your 4-wheel drive, what have you. There you got your locking lugs, and it's green. And I am wearing green.
Yeah, it's a 3-speed on the floor.
Yes.
So kind of same shift pattern as a Model A. If you've ever driven one, reverse is forward, and backwards is first, and second, and third. You do have some gauges up there. You got like oil pressure and
the main stuff.
Coolant temp, speedo, fuel, and amperage.
We got throttle and choke.
Yep, that's all you need. The starter button is on the floor. So you turn the key on and then you hit the starter with your foot, which is kind of cool.
Kind of hard to see.
The windshield can fold down. There's pictures on our website. You can go look at that, www.fastlanecars.com. There's pictures of the windshield down, the underbody, engine bay, everything on this Jeep, super up close, so you can get a better look. But we're just going to drive it in this video and show you guys how nice it is to drive around in a Willys Jeep. The most capable vehicle maybe ever made.
Maybe ever. Fun getting in.
Yes, it is fun getting in.
It's a thrill. Key here.
Very nice. Right side up.
And then
just a little bit of that. And then hit the old starter button. There's that little 4-cylinder engine.
We have lights.
The mighty engine of the Willys Jeep. Oh, the headlights are on, nice. Oh, and there was one blinker and the other blinker. Nice, nice. Headlights off. It's so silly because I can see the front diff plain as day just through the front of the car.
I'm putting the hat backwards.
I love Willys Jeeps, and then of course it says Willys there on the side. Gotta have that, and the big white star on the hood. Very cool. Gas, easily accessible. Goes in right there.
Oh.
Rear lights, brake lights, very nice. Very good. All right, I'm gonna get in the back of the Jeep.
All right.
Because that just sounds like fun. Ugh. And I'm a little more nimble than Chris, so
thank you very much.
I can get back here. And we'll get a nice view of Chris's driving. Very nice. Here comes a guy on a bike. Here we go. This is fun. I like this. Ooh, I understand why people like Jeeps. It's a good time. Second gear action. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Gotta wait for some traffic here. Then we'll get going up the hill. Oh, you got it after this Cadillac. Nice.
Hot shifting action.
Second gear. Nice. Oh, beautiful. I love the wind in my hair.
Oh, it's wonderful. Is your hat backwards?
Oh, no, I should probably flip it around.
You should.
Very nice.
It's moving, isn't it? Holy cow.
I think this had a top speed of what, like 50?
50 at best.
Yeah. But you're not really driving this to set any land speed records, so it's not really a big deal.
Oh, good. We didn't have to shift. Hold on to something, Jake.
I'm holding. Oh, this is a good time.
Oh, this is fun.
I like this.
I'm going to go into third now, Jake. Nice and easy.
Go ahead. Nice.
Oh,
yeah.
wow. Hot shifting action.
I feel like I'm one with nature.
Oh, we're all over nature.
I mean,
look at that.
I know,
Safety doors.
there's nothing over here.
No, there's nothing.
I love this.
This is very, very nice. Somebody way behind us, thank goodness.
Honestly, it drives really nice.
It really does. It goes in a straight line. It's a little loud.
Yeah, a little bit, but
The Cobra's kind of quieter.
I think the loudness is more to do with the lack of a body on top of us.
Lack of everything.
Yeah, but no, it drives straight. The brakes feel good. I drove it earlier. That's how I tell. The shifting's not bad.
Hot shifting action.
Suspension's a little bouncy.
Well, that's what we're going to
But
get.
what do you expect from a 48 Willys Jeep?
Exactly. Exactly.
And it's the coolest green color ever.
Yes, we decided to dress in green.
I know it looks like an Army Jeep. That's why we wore green today.
I
love
like
it.
classic cars, the Army Division. There's no
Let's
horn,
see.
I don't think, but
Amperage is looking great. Temperature's looking good. We got 40 pounds of oil pressure.
can't beat that.
We don't have a lot of gas, so maybe turn around at the Patriot building.
Let's do that.
That
shall
might
we?
be a good idea.
Yeah, you know, it's a great idea.
I'm just gonna stay back here.
All right, then.
You just take us home.
I'm taking us home country road. Oh, boy.
See if I
I'm
can
going to take the second turn.
There's the gauges down there.
I'll do this just so everybody knows.
Yeah. We do have blinkers.
We do.
They did work.
They did? Oh, excellent.
Yep, which is nice.
I hope so.
Yeah, we'll use second gear probably for this. The gearing's pretty short.
Yeah,
and the
it
little
is.
four-cylinder's torquey.
It's torquey.
Torquey McTorkerson.
Torquey McTorkerson would agree. She's running nice, though.
Yeah, she is.
Should I go over the curb? No, let's not do that.
Nah, don't do that.
But Patriot, a Jeep, that's kind
Now,
of a great
is this
thing.
capable of going over the curb? Absolutely. It's capable of driving down into that really deep ditch and then right back out of it again.
But let's not.
We're not going to, but it absolutely could. This thing went absolutely everywhere during World War II. This one was slightly after World War II.
And then there was Korea.
And then there was Korea. And I'm sure we kept using these.
Why wouldn't we? If it's not broke, don't fix it.
Exactly.
Just ask the H.N. Warthog.
You ready for third gear? Very nice.
Well, that was nice, smooth shifting action.
We got a thumbs up from that guy.
As well we should.
Everyone loves it.
Who doesn't? This is wonderful.
Oh, we're moving now.
I've got
We're
on the
going 40
brink of
miles an
40.
hour.
Holy cow.
Yeah, take your hat off.
I'm nervous for everyone involved.
Heck, maybe we will set a land speed record today.
My God, we're almost at 43.
We're going 40, 41,
Holy cow.
42.
Wow.
I'm loving this.
It's on the floor. I'm just kidding.
It's not.
This is cool. And I kind of like this thing. I
love
wasn't
it.
too sure, but now I really do. All right, here we go.
Yep. We could probably coast down the hill.
I'm going to try. I'm going to do my darndest. There's no one behind us, thank goodness. Oh, we have to come to a full, complete stop.
Let's see how it handles around the roundabout.
Oh, shit.
I
don't
bet
know
it
how
handles
much
like a Jeep.
handling. Pretty excited about it.
Oh, you know what? Not bad. I'm holding on to the seat here.
Good idea. Hot shifting action.
That's, yep, there's third gear. Very nice.
Very good.
Pretty good.
Very, very nice.
Not bad at all.
You never know what these good drives are going to be like at something this old, but so far, uneventful and lovely. Simply lovely, as Max Verstappen would say. I'm doing my hand signals properly as I was taught.
There you go. Here, I'll do one for you.
Thank you.
Oh, but except I have to hold on to the seat a little bit
Yeah,
here.
you better hold on here. It's a tight turn.
Oh, wow. It's like an F1 car. Second gear?
Yeah. Where are we going to put this thing?
Probably down in the east.
Done.
We'll park it in the shade there.
Oh, absolutely. Wow. You know what? This is a very fun ride.
I enjoyed that thoroughly. You know, we drive a lot of thrilling cars, a lot of fast stuff.
A lot of crazy fast
I have
stuff.
more fun in stuff like this than a lot of those things.
This was fun. This was fun.
It's just a little silly, and that's nice.
Sometimes you got to be silly.
Sometimes you
the
gotta be
world's a little
silly.
too serious.
Oh yeah.
Hot braking action.
Hot braking action. Very good.
Yeah, we made it. What a fun drive.
It's still just sitting at 200 degrees. Again, oil pressure was still at 40 pounds. I was watching it while we were
can't
driving.
beat this.
Amperage is great. We're charging. We got
Fully
up to
charged.
42 miles an hour, Chris.
I was impressed, and that was up a hill.
I know. Can you believe it?
I was not expecting it.
This
I
is
really
nice.
thought people would be passing us.
And I have this nice little fender I could set my camera on. Look at that.
Very, very nice.
It's very practical.
This is the most practical car you'll ever buy.
It seats 4.
Let's
know.
say 3.
Oh, you can fit someone next to me.
Someone small.
Yeah.
And you got lap belts, which you need.
Yeah.
And this is going to get you anywhere you want to go.
Yeah.
I like the
Not
new top.
quickly.
No,
But
you're
you'll
going to
get
get there. You will get there.
Reliably, for sure.
We should go down that hill. We should
Nah.
climb something.
We're not going to climb anything.
All right, fine.
All right.
Thank you. See you guys later.